The Chrysler 300 is back for 2025, and it's louder, bolder, and more powerful than ever. If you thought this full-size sedan was bowing out quietly, think again. In a world dominated by SUVs and electric vehicles, the 2025 Chrysler 300 is a refreshing nod to classic American muscle, modernized just enough to stay relevant without losing its heritage. For those who've followed the 300 since its debut in 2005, this year's model isn't just an update, it's a proper send-off. And for us at Drive Trend, that makes it all the more exciting to cover. At first glance, the 2025 300 sticks to its iconic formula, a broad-shouldered stance, high beltline, and imposing front grille. But look closer, and the refinements begin to shine through. The LED lighting signature has been updated for a more aggressive look, and the grille now sports a mesh design that hints at the power underneath. Speaking of power, let's get to what's under the hood. Chrysler has brought back the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine for the 300C trim. Yes, you heard that right. It produces 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, launching this full-size sedan from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. That's Charger Scat Pack territory, but in a more refined, luxury-focused package. This final run of the 300C is limited, and it's clear Chrysler wanted to go out with a bang. It comes with Brembo brakes, active damping suspension, and a throaty exhaust note that reminds you this isn't just a cruiser. It's a muscle car dressed in a suit. For those looking for a more understated drive, there are still the V6-powered Touring and Touring L trims. They come with the tried-and-true 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, producing 292 horsepower in rear-wheel drive configurations. While they don't pack the same punch as the 300C, they still deliver a smooth, comfortable ride with enough power to keep daily drives interesting. Inside, the 2025 Chrysler 300 continues its tradition of blending old-school luxury with modern tech. The cabin is quiet, spacious, and well-insulated. Materials have been upgraded, with soft-touch surfaces, real wood accents, and available quilted leather seating. At the center of it all is a 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen infotainment system, quick, intuitive, and compatible with both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and sharp, giving the driver access to performance pages, navigation, and more. And let's not forget the sound. An available 19-speaker Harman Kardon premium audio system turns the cabin into a rolling concert hall, perfect for long highway cruises or just enjoying the rumble of that Hemi when you're in the mood. Safety-wise, the 2025 Chrysler 300 is well equipped with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. While it may be old school in spirit, it's very much 21st century when it comes to driver assistance and technology. So why does the 2025 Chrysler 300 matter? In an age when most automakers are phasing out sedans and going all in on electrification, the 300 stands out for daring to be different. It's a full-size rear-wheel drive sedan with a V8 engine, launched in a market where those are becoming extinct. It's unapologetically bold, and that's exactly why enthusiasts love it. This final edition feels like a love letter to fans who have kept the Chrysler 300 alive in car culture. Whether it's been a favorite for custom builds, a luxury bargain, or just a reliable family sedan with attitude, the 300 has carved out a unique space in the automotive world. Here at Drive Trend, we think the 2025 model is more than just a car, it's a celebration. A celebration of big engines, bold design, and an era that's quickly disappearing. Chrysler may be looking toward an electric future, but it's giving the 300 a proper farewell tour, and we're here for it. If you're a fan of classic American sedans with muscle car DNA, the 2025 Chrysler 300 is worth a serious look. It's rare, it's powerful, and it might just be one of the last of its kind. Thanks for watching Drive Trend. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into cars that matter, and let us know in the comments, would you go for the 300C, or would you keep it classic with a V6 Touring?